SunTrust Banks is a super regional bank holding company. SunTrust provides deposit, credit, trust, investment, mortgage, asset management, securities brokerage, and capital market services. Hello everyone, I hope you all are having a great time. This is How to Geek and we are back with another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of enrolling for the online banking service of SunTrust Bank. So if you want to find out how you can do so, then make sure to stick with me till the end of the video. First of all, open the web browser of your choice and in the address bar type www.suntrust.com and hit it. You will then be redirected to the official website of SunTrust Bank. Now, at the right side of the screen, you will be able to see an option, Sign Up Now. Click on it. You can sign up for the online banking service of SunTrust in 4 easy steps. You must have one of the following SunTrust account types to complete enrollment: checking, savings, money market, mortgage, loan, line of credit, personal credit card, investment services or trust account. So if you have any one of these SunTrust account types, then you can get started by selecting one of the following enrollment options. Here I'll be choosing SunTrust debit card, and after that click on Begin Enrollment. You'll then be asked for your SunTrust debit card number, SunTrust debit card PIN, and the last 4 digits of Social Security number. Enter all the details and then click on Next. After that, provide the further details that will be required and follow all the instructions provided in order to enroll for the online banking service of SunTrust Bank. So this is how you can enroll for the online banking service of SunTrust Bank. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, How to Geek. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye-bye.